Bhopal is the capital of which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. When was the Ganga declared a national river? A. 2005, B. 2008, C. 2010. Correct answer is B. 2008. Which place is known as the Switzerland of India? A. Shimla, B. Kashmir, C. Manali. Correct answer is B. Kashmir. What was India's national animal before the tiger? A. Lion, B. Elephant, C. Cheetah. Correct answer is A. Lion. Where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. Delhi, B. Amritsar, C. Ludhiana. Correct answer is B. Amritsar. What is known as white gold? A. Silver, B. Cotton, C. Salt. Correct answer is B. Cotton. Durga Puja is the main festival of which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Bihar. Correct answer is B. West Bengal. Which country in the world has no mosquitoes? A. Iceland, B. Switzerland, C. Canada. Correct answer is A. Iceland. What is the most expensive gemstone in the world? A. Diamond, B. Jadeite, C. Ruby. Correct answer is B. Jadeite. In which direction does the sun appear green? A. North, B. West, C. East. Correct answer is B. West. Which is the smallest state in India? A. Tripura, B. Goa, C. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Goa. Which city is known as the Brass City? A. Moradabad, B. Firozabad, C. Kanpur. Correct answer is A. Moradabad. Where is the Vivekanand Memorial located? A. Kanyakumari, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai. Correct answer is A. Kanyakumari. Where is Asia's largest spice market located? A. Mumbai, B. Kochi, C. Khari Bauli. Correct answer is C. Khari Bauli. Which city is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? A. Kochi, B. Mumbai, C. Vishakhapatnam. Correct answer is A. Kochi. Which planet shows phases like the moon at home? A. Saturn, B. Venus, C. Mercury. Correct answer is B. Venus. Where is the Nanda Devi mountain peak located? A. Sikkim, B. Uttarakhand, C. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Which country's president receives the highest salary in the world? A. USA, B. Singapore, C. Switzerland. Correct answer is B. Singapore. Which country has the strictest laws in the world? A. North Korea, B. China, C. Iran. Correct answer is in North Korea. Which country is known as the Queen of the Dangerous Seas? A. Japan, B. Indonesia, C. Philippines. Correct answer is C. Philippines.